The people that have dealt much with the Igbo people is the Catholic Church. The Catholic Church has made sure that everything the Igbo people represent was rubbed to the mud. And I will explain. Who is Bishop Shanahan? Bishop Shanahan was the man that made sure that every Igbo people today sees Ekwensu as Satan. That is part of the love that the Catholic is showing the Igbo people. The people who demeaned your culture to infuse their own in you. Remember, you are not the one I'm attacking. Don't get me wrong. This is we trying to dissect matters. What love did the Catholic people show the Igbo people? Mention one love. The love that they sent Irish missionaries. That's why I said we people don't even understand the way the church operates. The entirety of Europe is a Ponzi scheme. The 1884 Berlin Conference proved that my point about the Ponzi scheme is real. What do? They set this one to be like a savior to you.